Why should I use BONOSS wheel spacers?
Now let's see how to install wheel spacers on your Toyota Supra. Begin by safely lifting the vehicle and removing the wheels. Next, clean the wheel hub and attach a wheel spacer to the hub. Secured by the lug nuts, use a spacer with high-grade 12.9 studs. This provides higher strength than 10.91. And lower the vehicle back to the ground. Let's take a look at the difference before and after installing the wheel spacers. The wheels sit flush with the fender after the installation, giving the Supra a more aggressive and sporty appearance. One of the most noticeable effects of spacers is the improvement in handling. Installing spacers on your Toyota Supra is a simple yet effective way to enhance both its appearance and performance. Not only do they provide a more aggressive stance and improve stability, but they also have a significant impact on the vehicle's handling dynamics.
That's today's video. If you want to get its BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.